Hey everybody, it's Marianne from Thrive, and in today's quick tip I'm going to show you how you can use the presenter view to make your presenting, whether it's online or in person, smoother and reduce the need for you having handheld notes. So we've all been in a presentation where someone is talking to the screen, they've got some cue cards or a printed sheet that has all their notes on it and they're fumbling, it's distracting, and they're constantly looking up and down, up and down. So what I want to show you is the tool that is built into Microsoft PowerPoint that will help you and how that works. And it's called Presenter View. So you would know that in your slideshow, I've got an example here. What we've got is the usual view. So typically what people would do is they would play their slideshow like this, be working through the slides as they talk, and having their notes and referring to them manually or physically in their hand or on a lectern, particularly if it's in person, or potentially looking at a separate screen if they're looking at their notes. However, if we use the alternative option, which is this presenter view, here's what you see instead. So what you're actually going to see as the participant, now on my screen, I've got two screens. So my second screen is showing me that audience view, which is like the normal slideshow. But here's what I've got on my screen. I've got the current slide. I've got what's coming up next. If I've got notes, these will appear here, and I've got some options as well. So I can record things, I can put captions on, we can zoom in and out, and I can edit it as well. So I can actually use a laser pointer or a highlighter. So it becomes an engaging and interactive step. I've also got the entire presentation down here. So as we move through, you can see here, I've got some extra content. These are the notes that I would normally talk to, whether that's a script or a set of bullet points that you're referring to. So I'm just going to end that show. Hang on a second. All of my windows have gone. Goodness me. What's going on here? Hide that. We'll put that one back up. Okay. That was confusing for everybody, wasn't it? So the trick is that I guess it's really easy to activate. You activate it from your slideshow tab. Use the presenter view and it will start doing it all the way. The presenter view, as I said, if you're working on dual monitors, you'll have the audience view on one screen and the presenter view on another. And if you need to jump back a few slides, you can do that from that bottom section. So you're not constantly having to manually flick through all of the slides. You can jump from slide 1 to slide 30 and back to slide 15 if that's the way you want to do it. So next time you present, give presenter view a try. It will make your presentation so much smoother. It will help you to move through your data. If you're doing it on a virtual presentation, it actually means you can maintain eye contact with your webcam if you have your presenter view under the camera. And it means that your notes and things are much more appropriately positioned for facing the camera if you've got a little cameo on the screen at the same time. Likewise, if you're doing it in person, it means that you can be looking at a screen and up at the crowd instead of down at a piece of paper and having something that will distract your audience. So give it a go, test it out, and let me know how you go. Cheers.